Morning. Today we will going to discuss about the advisory regarding the confirmation of tax liability breakup as applicable in GSTR 3B. When you file your GSTR 3B for the current month, that is the Feb 2026, then you will find a challenge that you are not able to submit your return because there is one new option of tax liability breakup has been enabled. You have to click that tab and make it enable, and first you have to save the tax liability, and once it is confirmed, then you are allowed to file your return through ABC or DSC, whatever the option you have choose. So in terms of the same, what the government has already allowed in terms of the provision of section 50 of the Central Goods and Service Act 2017, interest is payable where the tax liability pertaining to previous tax period is discharged in subsequent tax period. Accordingly, the tax or liability breakup as applicable in Form GST 3B is meant to capture the tax liability relating to supplies of previous tax period which are being reported and discharged in the current tax period. From February 26 tax period onwards, the GST portal auto-populates the tax liability breakup as applicable in GSTR 3B on the basis of document dates of supplies reported in GSTR 1, GSTR 1A, IFF, where such supplies pertains to any previous tax period, but corresponding tax liability is being discharged in the current period GSTR 3B. Accordingly, from the February 26th tax period, after offsetting the liability in GSTR 3B, taxpayers are required to click on the tax liability breakup as applicable tab available on the payment page and confirm the breakup of tax liability by clicking the save button or edit the same if required. Once the breakup of tax liability is confirmed and saved, the taxpayer will be able to proceed with the filing form GSTR 3B using EBC or DSC. Feedback has been received that this confirmation should be mandatory only in cases where supplies pertaining to previous tax period have been reported in current tax period. However, the confirmation is presently being required in all cases, including where the tax liability relates only to the current tax period. The feedback is acknowledged by GST and the same is under resolution. Meanwhile, taxpayers are requested to kindly open the tax liability breakup as applicable tab on the payment page and click save within the tab for filing during the current reform cycle. Thereafter, filing of GST 3B can be completed normally. Taxpayers are requested to kindly follow the above interim procedures till the issue is resolved on the portal. This issue is relating to the previous tax period liability which is shown in the current tax period. The correctly capture the previous tax period tax liability which has been missed to be shown in the previous tax period. Now it is allowed to accept in the current tax period. So this option has been enabled on the GST portal because of that some error creeping on the portal that some of the taxpayers are not allowed to file the return because they are facing some issues while filing the returns. So the GST is already in the process of resolving the issues raised by the some of the taxpayers for GST 3B filing returns. So this new option of the tax liability breakup is applicable on GST 3B page. Once you make the payment and making offsetting of your liability with the ITC available and the cash payments. So once you will not allowed to proceed with or file your return once you just go below to your uh, tax uh, tax liability breakup is applicable. New tab has been inserted. So if you click on the same, then you have to save the form and then click confirm, and now authorized person name will be shown in the drop down list, and then now you can file your return with EBC, DSC, or whatever the mode you have available and you have choose to file the return. This all about this breakup, because today is the last date for GST 3B filing. If you have missed to file your return, then you don't forget to file immediately. Otherwise, you may face penalty, interest, or late filing fees. So this is the way of filing the return. So today we will make another video also regarding the what changes has been made in this GST regarding the same. So we will come with the new video. If you have any question, please let us know. We will make a new video on the same, and let you know on the detailed video on the same. So if you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe, and do forward this video to your family and friends for their updates on the GST. If you have any question and you require any video, then we will make the same. Thank you.